at a concert.
Another example would be if you have 4 different toppings for your pizza and 3 choice for the size. You will have 4 times 3 which equals possible pizzas.
Now that you have learned that fundamental counting principle allow us to tackle complex counting problems by breaking them down into manageable steps and multiplying the choices at each step. I hope you can use it more often.
And that's all for today. Just remember, ang counting principle ay isang magandang tool para maraming math problems. Have a great day, everyone!
Grabe, hindi na ako dahil dito. Hindi ka ata nakikinig sa class eh. Thank you.